there, I'm Susan Hyde with The Confident Mom, and I am here to chat with you guys about the Thieves Premium Starter Kit, which is an amazing way to get started with young living, especially right now. So I'm going to go through some of the pieces that come in the starter kit for you and kind of give you a little bit of background and why this starter kit is amazing, why your family needs it, and how it's going to be a great tool for you to help manage things in your home, clean things, and not add toxic stuff into your family's home, which for me is definitely at the top of my list. I will tell you, 7 years ago, it definitely wasn't even on my radar, but now through going on this journey and learning that a plant-based cleaner, plant-based products are so much better for my family, I am so grateful because our health is improved, and that is what we all want, right? So first of all, one of the best things that comes in the kit is this household cleaner. It's a concentrate, and you get 2 big bottles in the starter kit. And this comes, so Thieves, I didn't even talk about that. Thieves, what is Thieves? Well, actually, Thieves is an essential oil, okay? And it's amazing. It has lemon, clove, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. It actually was a blend of spices used by thieves back when the plague was around, and they put those spices all over their body and they would go rob people, but they wouldn't get ill. So we got that little spice recipe and we have made an essential oil. This blend is exclusive to Young Living, and it's very, very effective. If you Googled those separate oils individually, you would see amazing properties that they have in helping your immune system operate at its best. So in the household cleaner, not only is it a concentrate, but you're going to find the Thieves essential oil in there. But you're not going to find anything that's icky. So no synthetics, no icky toxins. And that's what I love about it. It's safe for all members of your family, including your pets, okay? So this concentrate will clean everything: counters, floors, glass, sinks, toilets, bathtubs, showers, all the things, and it will clean it safely. So this bottle will make around 30 bottles depending on how you dilute it. And that's the best thing. It has a little chart here, so you get to decide what you're cleaning and what the dilution ratio is. So most of the cleaners that you probably are using in your home are actually filled with some stuff that you really don't want to have. So currently you're probably using something that is just full of stuff and it causes all kinds of issues. One of them being endocrine disruptors, which have to do with your hormones. So when we are using products that have synthetics or dyes or different toxins in them, your body is building those up. It may not seem like a big deal, but just think about how many times you clean or how many times you use mouthwash or toothpaste, how that accumulates over time, because it's not like once every couple months, it's like daily, or sometimes twice a day. So that's called bioaccumulation, which ends up accumulating in your body, and your body doesn't know how to get rid of these toxins, so then it causes other issues in your body. So that is a whole nother topic, but I wanted to touch on that. So a lot of the cleaners that maybe you're using cause indoor air pollution. Yeah, I remember when I would clean with the products that I used in the past, my throat would hurt and it would cause headaches in me, and I would just feel so exhausted. Yeah, that doesn't happen anymore because nothing icky in the Thieves household cleaner. So love that it's safe, and even my son can use it, and they actually use this cleaner at his school. So all the kids can wipe down their tables and do all the things, and they can be comfortable knowing that they're safe. So love the Thieves cleaner. Another thing that comes in the starter kit is the hand sanitizer. Big, we need this stuff all the time. So what is wonderful about this is it kills 99.9% of germs on contact. So no messing around. But what's really great is what it doesn't have in it. It doesn't have triclosan, which has been known to be linked to being an endocrine disruptor as well, which endocrine system produces our hormones in our body. So we don't want something messing around with that, right? So love, love, love. Super effective, but it's all plant-based. So you definitely want that. Another one which is handy is this Thieves spray. So Thieves oil in it. It's a spray. This is wonderful for door handles or when you're out and about spraying on a table maybe before you're eating, not sure if it's, clean, using on the gas pump, all kinds of uses for that one as well. So another one of my favorites that comes in here is the Thieves foaming hand soap. So this hand soap goes everywhere with us, even when we travel. It just came back from Mexico with us because I want it to be right at our hotel sink where I know the soap that we're using isn't filled with icky things that are going to damage our body and that it's going to be effective. And I know that that's going to be effective. So same kind of thing. It has the Thieves oil in it. It also has vitamin E. It has aloe, and it has ginkgo biloba in it. So super good. But no sulfates or dyes, synthetics, or harsh chemicals. So we are able to use that a lot. And then one last thing I'll highlight is the mouthwash. So this doesn't have fluoride. But our teeth and gums are the best thing ever. So I challenge you to Google fluoride and really see what it does to the body. It is toxic to the body, friends. So if you're still using a fluoride toothpaste, a fluoride mouthwash, I would encourage you to try something different and see the results. We have had amazing results, no cavities. Yeah, and we've been fluoride free for over 3.5 years, even a filter for our water because I don't want it. So anyway, so the other things that come in the starter kit really briefly, you also get a full-size Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. You get Thieves mints. You get some packets of Ningxia Red, which are an antioxidant drink, which are, it's amazing. So we know our immune systems, when we're under stress, our immune systems are one of the first things to go. So when you can be putting good stuff in through drinking, for example, Ningxia Red, which is so full of goodness, then your body's able to function. And so that is one of those things. You also get a bottle of Stress Away, which I call this Mom Crack. It smells like an island in a bottle, for real. Yeah, it smells so good. And then you get this roller filament right here. So you can put that on your Stress Away and just roll it right all over you. Or you could actually put it on the bottle of Thieves and use it that way as well. Let's see, what did I miss here? Did I get it all? I think I got it all. So yeah, so if you are looking for a way to kind of switch things over in a cost-effective way, the Thieves Starter Kit is going to be what you want. It saves you over 50% if you were to purchase these things separately. You will also get a wholesale membership to Young Living, which means if you want, you can buy things in the future, but it doesn't mean you don't have to buy anything either. So there's no commitment. You just get to have a great starter kit. You can join our community, which I love to walk people along on this journey. That's what I did 7 years ago. I joined basically a new community where people helped walk me along, and I got to learn so many things about how to support the body in a great way. So anyway, so there is the Thieves Household, I did it again, the Thieves Premium Starter Kit details. So, all right, you can find more information over at theconfidentmom.com. And until next time.